Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Hey lovey subbies, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Sally Heartsjack 80 here, and this is the Sally Heartsjack 80 show. How's your Wednesday, your wonderful Wednesday going? I can't believe it's already Wednesday, but here we are, and I'm glad it's Wednesday because we get to spend some time together, and that's always nice and super, super amazing. And speaking of lovey subbies, guess what just happened to me? I received, yes I did, a fabulous gift from two of my favorite lovey subbies in the whole wide universe. I'm talking about my fairy godparents, the fabulous Leanne and Paul. I absolutely adore those two, and they sent me something in this really, really fabulous gift bag. Look at how cute it is. I love the dots. I love how emerald greeny it is. It reminds me of the Wicked Witch of the West, Elphaba. But, okay, I did cheat because I looked under here. I could not resist. I did not look in the packaging. I wouldn't do that because that would ruin the surprise. And but I did look and see who it was from, and the tag on it said, "Hi Odell, I saw her and couldn't resist. Love you loads, Leanne and Paul." So thank you, you guys. This comes all the way from fabulous England, where Leanne and Paul reside, and I'm so happy that they are lovey subbies. They're part of my Dolly family, and I super, super appreciate everything that they do for me. So I'm going to open up this bag and let's see what's inside. See, here's the back of it. Don't you just love that? I kind of don't want to open it because it's really pretty, but I'm going to pop it open. Oh, I love this ribbon on here. It's so nice. This ribbon. Okay. Is the ribbon on the bag? Oh, it is on the bag because it's like a drawstring. Totally. Okay, I'm going to pull it open. Here we go. I'm going to close my eyes and reach inside and pull out what's in the bag. So here we go. I'm not going to open them. Oh, it's nice and wrapped. I love that it's wrapped in the inside, so it's like double prizes. So it's wrapped, and I could use the bag still. So how cute is that? I will save this and definitely, you know what? I'll probably just save it as a wonderful gift reminder, even though I have the gift that Leanne and Paul sent me this, so that is special. And I love that the tag is tied, the little gift card is tied to the bag. So anyway, let me get off of that bag because I love it. So let me open this nice and carefully. I don't know where I want to start. They left me a sticker here to open it, so I'll start there. Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry. Oh, this is amazing, you guys. Look it. It's the rock candy Little Mermaid. It's Ariel from Wreck-It Ralph. She is so amazing. You guys are, I swear, we must be telekinetically in sync with one another because I have been looking for her forever and I could not find her. And I found Pocahontas and I found Moana, but I said I'm not going to get these at all until I could find my favorite Disney princess in the whole wide Disney universe. And thank you, Leanne and Paul. You guys, your gifts are always so amazing and surprise me so much because it's always something that I would absolutely treasure. And this is perfect. I love Ariel in her like regular everyday relaxed clothes. And that was part of the reason why I love them in Wreck-It Ralph so much, the princesses, because they were like laid back and they were, you know, Ariel's shirt has her thingamabobs, dingle hoppers, and snarf blats. It says something else, who's its and what's its. And I love that she's barefoot. She's like in a jammy kind of ensemble. And she's just, you know, in the middle of singing here. Because if you guys have seen Wreck-It Ralph, she goes into this big, huge singing song. This is so amazing. I love these so much. And I was getting so frustrated because I could not find these anywhere. And you know me, I don't like to order online because it never fails. Whenever I order something online, it comes and it's not beautiful. This is so stunning. Her face is immaculate. She is absolutely gorgeous. I love her. I love her so much. I don't think I'm going to open her and take her out of the box because I like how her name is on the side. There's Ariel. You get the picture of her in the back. And I love these pictures on the side. You get a little heart, you get a seashell. How cute is that? And then Ariel's cute little face right there. This is just, and it comes with this little tag on the top so you could hang it up, put it on the wall if you like, which is what I will probably do with mine. I'm going to add it to my Little Mermaid collection because everything I get from Ariel, I like to put in my Ariel collection. I've never shared that with you guys before. I will share it with you one day. I'm trying to get this room done so I could give you guys a room tour. Eventually, that'll happen too someday. But I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Leanne and Paul, for gifting me this. It has totally made my day. It's made my week. You guys don't understand how long I have been looking for her. And it's been disastrous. So thank you so much for your generosity and your kindness and sending me the comfy Ariel from Wreck-It Ralph 2. She is so gorgeous. I love Funko. I love this rock candy stuff. It is awesome. I could have a rock candy of everybody. I mean, I love it. I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for the bottom of my heart, from the tip of my wings. I thank you, Leanne and Paul, for being my fairy godparents, for putting a smile on my face all the time. And I don't know, you guys just know how to hit the spot. So thank you so very, very much. And thank you, Lovey Subbies, for tuning in and joining me while I opened up this beautiful package from my doll family. And I thank you so much for being wonderful Lovey Subbies and always making me feel loved and so super happy. I love doing this show. I love that you guys love the show. And thank you so much for tuning in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I really, really appreciate it, and I could not do this, and I would not be having this much fun without you guys. So thank you so much, and remember to love your family, love your friends, but most importantly, love yourself. Be kind, stay positive, and until we meet again in this fabulous, thank you, Leanne and Paul, my fairy godparents, for the wonderful, wonderful gift of Ariel world. You guys have a magical day, and I will see you on Friday. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.